Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Wistia for tracking engagement on career video links, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type Wistia into the search bar and hit enter. Click on the official Wistia website link from the search results. Once on the home page, locate the sign up button and click it. You will be directed to the registration page. Fill in the required fields, including your name, email address, and password. After entering your information, click on the Create Account button. Next, check your email for a verification link from Wistia. Click on the verification link to confirm your email address. Once verified, return to the Wistia website and log in using your credentials. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard. Here, you can start a new project by clicking on the Create New Project button. Follow the prompts to add your career video links to the project. When your videos are uploaded, configure engagement tracking settings. To do this, click on the video you wish to track. Select the Tracking tab from the Video Settings menu. Enable engagement tracking, allowing Wistia to monitor viewer interaction. Save your settings to ensure the tracking is activated. Repeat this process for any additional career videos you wish to track. Once you have set up tracking for all your videos, navigate back to the dashboard. You can now view analytics on engagement for each video link. For detailed insights, click on the Analytics section in the left sidebar. Review the engagement metrics to understand viewer interaction with your content. Make any necessary adjustments to your videos or tracking settings based on your findings. That concludes the detailed guide on subscribing to Wistia for tracking engagement on your career video links. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.